Have you ever heard the advice, save your pennies and the pounds will take care of themselves? It sounds like solid financial wisdom, right? For years, we've been told that the path to wealth is paved with frugality and discipline. Cut your daily coffee, pack your own lunch, cancel those subscriptions. And while saving money is absolutely crucial for financial health, it's the foundation, really. It's only half the story. The hard truth is, saving alone will almost never make you rich. Let's break down why. Imagine you're a super saver. You manage to squirrel away 20% of your income every single month. That's impressive. But think about it. There's a hard limit to how much you can save. You can only cut your expenses down to zero, and that's not exactly a fun way to live. Your saving potential is capped by your income and your essential living costs. You can't save more than you earn, and you can only cut so much before you're just living on ramen noodles in the dark. It's a defensive strategy, but wealth isn't built on defense alone. Now, let's talk about the real game changer, inflation. It's the silent thief that nibbles away at the value of your saved money every single year. Let's say you have $10,000 tucked away in a standard savings account. If inflation is running at 3%, then in 1 year, your $10,000 will only have the purchasing power of about $9,700. You didn't spend a dime, but you still lost value. Your money is essentially on a treadmill, running just to stand still. Saving protects your capital, but it doesn't grow it. It's like putting your money in a freezer. It preserves it, but it doesn't make it bigger. So if saving is just the starting point, what's the next step? It's shifting your mindset from just saving to actively growing your money. This is where investing comes in. Investing is the offensive play in your financial game plan. Instead of just parking your money, you're putting it to work. You're buying assets like stocks, bonds, or real estate that have the potential to grow in value and generate more money for you over time. Think of it this way. When you save, you're a worker. When you invest, your money becomes the worker. It works for you 24/7, even while you sleep, through the power of compounding. Albert Einstein supposedly called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. It's when the returns you earn start earning their own returns. It creates a snowball effect that can turn a small, consistent investment into a substantial fortune over the long term. This is something that a savings account just can't do. Of course, investing has risks, which is why saving is still so important. You need an emergency fund, a safety net of saved cash before you even think about investing. This fund covers unexpected expenses, so you don't have to sell your investments at the wrong time. But once that safety net is in place, the goal should be to make your money work as hard as you do. The ultimate key to building wealth isn't about choosing between saving or investing. It's about creating a powerful synergy between the two. You save diligently to create the capital, and then you invest that capital wisely to make it grow exponentially. Combine that with a focus on increasing your income, whether through a side hustle, a promotion, or learning new skills, and you have a truly unstoppable formula for financial success. So keep saving, but don't stop there. See saving not as the end goal, but as the fuel for your investment engine. That's how you move from simply being financially stable to truly building wealth. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on making your money work for you. See you next time.